Hi everyone, hope you all are keeping safe and happy. Today we are going to revising about two chapters from social science. First we are going to discussing about politics, chapter 8, rural livelihoods. In this chapter we had learned about different types of works or occupations in rural areas. Rural means village areas. What do you mean by livelihood? The work people do for earning their bread is called their livelihood. Rural livelihoods means works in which people earn their livelihood in rural areas are named as rural livelihoods. So that means work in which people earn their livelihood in rural or village areas. What do you mean by migration? Movement of people from one place to another place to find jobs. Next, we are going to discussing about answer the following questions. Listen to your note. Give an account of the ways of earning livelihood in rural areas. What are the two types of activities doing in village areas? Farm and non-farm activities. What are the examples of farm activities? Preparing the land, sowing, weeding and harvesting. These are some of the farm activities in village areas. Can you say what are the non-farm activities in rural areas? Yes, fishing, craft work, carpentry, weaving. These are some of the basic occupations of rural areas. Rural means village level. Second question, explain the types of occupations briefly. Can you say the different types of occupations? First one is about primary. Primary means refers to all work or activities related to natural resources like agriculture, mining, animal husbandry, etc. Primary activity is the basic activity that refers to all work or activities related to natural resources like agriculture, mining, animal husbandry, etc. Second is secondary activities refers to jobs that involve transformation of raw materials into goods. Example, manufacturing industries and factories. This is a second type of activity. And the third one is tertiary activity. It refers to different kinds of jobs such as banking, teaching, trade, communication, etc. This activity belongs to service sector or tertiary activities. Third question. What are the work of agricultural laborers? Tilling the field, sowing and transplanting of crops, irrigation of the field, weeding, harvesting, livestock care. These are some of the work of agricultural laborers. And the next question, explain briefly about different type of farmers. There are three types of farmers living in village areas. First one, landless peasants. They have no land of their own and work on other people's land. First one is landless peasants. They have no land of their own. Second one is small or middle level farmers. They own small plot of land and works on them with their families. They own small plot of land. They work on them with their families. The third one is rich farmers. They own large plot of land and employ many people in their field. These are the three types of farmers living in village areas. Next, we are going to discussing about Geography, Chapter 8, India, Climate, Vegetation and Wildlife. This is an important chapter because this is the most important chapter in geography. India, Climate, Vegetation and Wildlife. Okay, what do you mean by vegetation? Yes, different types of plants. Wildlife, different types of animals. Natural vegetation means vegetation through naturally. Okay, there are different types of climatic conditions also. First is answer the following questions. First question, which brings rainfall in India? Which wind brings rainfall in India? Which wind brings rainfall in India? Why is it important? Southwest monsoon winds bring rainfall to India. Because it is important because agriculture mainly depends upon this rainfall. That is why this type of rainfall is very important. So southwest monsoon brings rainfall to India. It is very important because agriculture mainly depends upon this rainfall. Second one, name the different types of seasons. Cold weather, hot weather, southwest monsoon and season of retreating monsoon. These are the different types of seasons in India. Third one, what is natural vegetation? Grasses, shrubs and trees which grow of their own without any interference or help from mankind constitute natural vegetation. ആരുടെ ഹെൽപ്പ് ഇല്ലാതെ, അതായത് മനുഷ്യരുടെ ഇൻ്റർഫറൻസ് ഇല്ലാതെ നാച്ചുറലായിട്ട് ഗ്രോ ചെയ്യുന്ന ട്രീസും ഗ്രാസും ഷ്രബ്സും ഒക്കെ നമുക്ക് കോമൺ ആയിട്ട് വിളിക്കുന്ന പേരാണ് നാച്ചുറൽ വെജിറ്റേഷൻ. Once more I repeat, grasses, shrubs and trees which grow of their own without any interference or help from mankind constitute natural vegetation. Next question, write the correct answer. The world's highest rainfall occurs in Monsoon drum. Okay, answer is Monsoon drum. Second one, wild goat and snow leopards are found in Himalayan region, Himalayas. Third one, during the southwest monsoon period, the moisture laden winds blow from sea level. Sea ലെവലിലേക്കായിരിക്കും കാറ്റ് വീശുന്നത്, അല്ലേ, മോയിസ്ചർ ഉണ്ടാകുന്നത്. Third options, fill in the blanks. First question, hot and dry winds known as dash blow during the day in the summers. Answer is Lu wind. Okay, this is the hot and dry wind known as Lu. Second one, the states of Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu receive a great amount of rainfall during the season of dash. The states of Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu receive a great amount of rainfall during the season of retreating monsoon. Retreating monsoon സീസണിലാണ് ഏറ്റവും കൂടുതൽ റെയിൻഫോൾ റിസീവ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. ഏതൊക്കെ പ്ലേസസിൽ, ഏതൊക്കെ സ്റ്റേറ്റ്സിൽ? ആന്ധ്രാപ്രദേശിലും തമിഴ്നാട്ടിലും. The third and final question, Dash forest in Gujarat is the home of Dash. Gir forest in Gujarat is the home of lions. This is the third question. Okay children, these are the question answers from chapter 8, Geography, India, Climate, Vegetation and Wildlife. So all of you should learn this chapter and you have to read this chapter also and preparing the notes. These are the some of the basic question answers from this chapter. And another one is definitions. Weather, atmospheric conditions of a particular place at a particular time are called weather. What is climate? Average weather conditions over a long period of time are termed as climate. Monsoon is a word, has been derived from the word mausim, which means seasons. Okay children, thank you and have a nice day. Thank you very much.